Okay, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Just to recap, yesterday my buy stop actually hit a loss. So there is actually I put a buy stop around here, yeah, around 2398, and expected it to go up to this point, but then it only goes up half, and then it does a reversal or it goes back down. So it is very unfortunate that my buy stop has a loss that hits a loss, but it's okay. So today I'm going to also show my setup one more time. Again, for me, this kind of chart or this candle pattern is not that good. This is a very risky trade if you wanna open your position now. But then what we can do is we can do something that is safer. So first I want to start with a setup if you want to do or if you want to just speculate, yeah. But this is once again this is very risky, and then I don't recommend you to do this. Okay, so first let's see this pattern, yeah. So in this pattern we can see that there is a very high uh, bullish pattern, and the pole here is very high. As you can see, this is in the 30 minutes time frame, and then it is very bullish, and then there will be a bearish candle, and it's almost close, meaning the level is still almost the same. But then as we can see here, there is actually a certain price or a certain range here that we can pay attention to. Okay, this yellow or orange line here, this is actually it seems that we can see this as a support level. Yeah, there is a price that goes down here. This is a bit of fake out, and then it goes up again, and when it touches around this support area, and it goes up again, and then there is this, then it goes up again. Yeah, so to be safer, let's use a rectangle, this. So this is our rectangle box. So this is the area, and it seems this area is most likely it has already become a support area for this pattern, and then for this pattern it becomes resistance area. It goes up, but then it's already broken down. So when the prices wants to go down to this level, it doesn't really able to go down. So this is the setup. Again, this is the risky setup, and then I'm not going to trade in this position. But then for this, we can do for a long position. This is our starting point. Yeah. If you want to do a long position, then you can have a setup like this, like this. We can have our stop loss quite high because our target is also even higher. This. Okay. Usually what I will recommend is if you starting at this point, then your stop loss will be here, which is half of the area, which is half of, for me this is actually a support area, so half of the area here. But then since our profit is quite high, so I'm willing to risking a bit more to put the stop loss here, and then your risk reward ratio is still enough, which is 2.83, or is still good, which is 2.83. Or if you want to be safer, you can wait until it goes to this position, which is 2379 or 2380, and then your stop loss here, and then you will get an even better risk reward ratio. But once again, this is a very risky position, and then I will not trade in this kind of position. If you want to speculate, you can do it your own risk. uh, a safer speculation or a safer position is actually to do, if you want to do a long position, you can actually start here. You can actually start here. Why? Because here at this level you can see this is actually a very strong resistance area, and then it's already broken down and it retraces back. Yeah, so meaning if it's already broken again, if the price has broken to this area, most likely it will goes up. But then again, the thing about it, since it is still going on in this area, the possibility for it to goes up is very low. And then if it goes up and then it breaks this level, most likely it will just be a fake out and then it will go straight back down. So I don't suggest this position, yeah, because this is very volatile, and especially with the war news going on, with the war that is going on, the news here and there, this is a very uh, risky position. But then there is one very safe position for me, and then this is the setup that I have been saying for my last two videos. I still put my sell stop. I still put my sell stop around this area. Okay, let me check. Yeah, around this area. Yeah, around to 362 or to 361. This is my uh, sell stop, and then this is my take profit level up to here. Okay, yeah, this is actually the safest one. Yeah, because you started from here, as you can see, if it breaks down this uh, area, it can do a retest and then it will go back. Usually this already covers. Usually the fake out of the candle, when it wants to go bullish, it will never go this high. But of course, there is no such thing as 100% uh, assurance in forex trading. Therefore, I still cannot be sure, but I still leave my sell stop position there. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. Uh, Unfortunately, there is no safe position here. There is only a very risky position at this point. Um, unless you wanna follow like what I did in my previous video. Uh, in my previous video, you can check that my prediction it will goes up here, and then it will goes back down again. It goes back down again as it makes it sideways. So if you want to uh, follow when it is going sideways, perhaps you can take this as your support. Yeah, so you can just simply trade when it goes like this. Perhaps, yeah, perhaps. But of course, all of the setup that I've said before, it has a 50% chance or even less. So it is very risky position. Okay, I think that's all for today.